To make an 3D skull in the Syngo via, select the patient and open with CT vascular and wait for some time. And you can see here a bone removal image. So to view the skull, you have to click here, and the skull will appear. And double click the skull segment, and you can see that the whole skull is visible here. So you can rotate the image and save as you want. So if you want to change the color of the image, so click on the left bottom so right click on the VRT, and a VRT gallery option will appear, and click on the VRT gallery and a gallery will open, and you can change the color you want. So I am selecting the osseous tissue head, and then it will appear like this. And if I select a copy of new BRT, then it will look like this. And if you drag this button, you can show lots of colors and types of BRT. So to show the skull, you can select the body part and head and neck, and this is the head and neck options. So for skull, so this option, osseous tissue head, is very good to see the bony structure or any bony fracture. So in four corner of the display there are four options. So in the top left corner, there, if you drag the mouse on the top left corner, these options will appear, like the zoom pan, window, rotate, home position, region, punch, anatomy visualizer, clip box, ranges. So lots of options here. And if you click on the bottom left corner, then you can see on the NGO view, and this is mainly used for angiogram or urogram, and then cinematic VRT. So the cinematic VRT shows the skull, a very high resolution picture of the skull. So you can zoom out and drag the image as you want. So in the left bottom corner there is BRT option, and there is BRT thin, and then MIP, and MPR. So right now I am showing the skull, and cinematic will be very good. So you can see that there is no fracture involved in the skull. On the right bottom corner there is also VRT gallery and reset preset, and on the top right corner there is scale. And now in the scale option you can see the distance line. So if you want to measure line, you can do it. You can set any marker on the image. You can add arrow. And you can write something on the image like this. like I am typing 3D skull. So this is the beauty of Syngo VIA. You can do many things. There's lots of options.